Welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So today I discuss another new report, that is Clone Anthony Clone. A security agency, Clarkson Security Agency, Clarkson reported. Clarkson is basically a security agency, a multiple intelligence sources. The Clarkson, Pakistani military defense science and technology organization DESTO, the agency reported about the conspiracy about the report. China entered covert deal with the Pakistan military for a bio-warfare capabilities against India and Western countries as part of the border offensive against India and Western rivals. Pakistan and China have entered into secret 3-year agreement to expand the potential bio-warfare capabilities, including the several research projects related to the deadly agent anthrax. The Clarkson reported, citing multiple intelligence sources. China has been criticized for handling of coronavirus pandemic, with the speculations that disease could have emerged from Wuhan Institute of Virology. Though most experts have discounted the theory, according to the report authored by the Anthony Clone, the same lab has signed the covert deal with the Pakistan Military Defense Science and Technology and organization DESTO to collaborate research and in emerging infectious disease and advanced studies on the biological control of transmitted diseases. As per the intelligence sources cited by the Clarkson, they have serious concerns about the covert project, which involves China testing biological agents outside its border to minimize the risk of the drawing and condemnation from the international community. China has been accused over its opaqueness in the handling of coronavirus, as crucial information of the lethal virus not revealed in the early days of the outbreak, which could have helped the pandemic to be tackled more effectively. So friends, thank you. In the next video I will discuss other information. Thank you.